What's going on YouTube? 603 Mechanic Vids back with another how-to video. Today we're going to be doing just a quick video on where the 3 fuse boxes are located on your Jeep Renegade. So we'll get right into it. Start from the front of the vehicle to the back. We're going to need to pop the hood and open that up. We're going to come right over here. You got this box right here. There's that flathead screw down there. It's like a spring-loaded screw. You're gonna need to grab your flathead screwdriver and just twist that and it'll pop up. And then we'll slide this cover up. I'll do that so you can see what's inside. See, that screw just pops up. You can just slide this panel up. And on this cover here, it does have the fuses with the numbers, so you can locate which fuse you need to get. And this is what it looks like inside that box. So that's our first of 3 fuse boxes. I apologize if the video is a little shaky. It's about 10 degrees out here where I live. Before we move on to the second fuse box, I just want to say, any of the fuses you need to replace, you're going to just go to your owner's manual and then go right to the back of the index and look up where the fuses are, which is page 157. And then this will bring you right to where all your bulbs. So if you need to replace your headlights or any bulb in your vehicle, as well as all your fuses. And this goes on for a couple pages here. And it'll go through all 3 of the fuse boxes. So I just wanted to point that out before we move on. So our second fuse box is located under the driver's side dash. On the left side of the steering column. It's kind of a tight fit to get up in there. If you can see it. It's right up there. You can see those little fuses right there. Definitely a pain to get to. I believe if you remove this cover, which it just pops out, there's some clips holding it in place. And then this big cover here has some screws on the side and on the bottom. And then the rest are just the little clips that are holding it on. I believe if you take that off, you should be able to get to the fuse box a little easier. And to our third fuse box. Before we get there, you guys can see up here in New Hampshire how much road salt we use. If anyone doesn't live where it snows, this is what we got to deal with up here. Our cars don't last long around here. We're going to open the trunk up. And this is a 2018 Jeep Renegade, so it's just this little panel here. Some of the older Renegades will have a bigger panel that goes all the way around here. That'll just pop out. This is your third fuse box here. So that's the 3 fuse box locations on a Jeep Renegade. The majority of the fuses you're probably going to have to change are the ones underneath the dash here, like your courtesy light. If you got heated seats, anything like that, if it's not working, it's most likely underneath the dash here. But like I said, check your owner's manual to find out exactly where it's located. And that's about it. That wraps up this video. Just a quick, short little video. Hopefully help some of you guys out if you need help finding the fuses in your vehicle. If you're not subscribed, consider hitting that subscribe button. And give this video a like if it helped you out. And if you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll get back to you. You guys have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next video.